Good morning, Professor. I'm Nyoman Ayu, and I am about to tell you my observation from the picture, The Mother of Nature. So, we all know that the age of the Earth is very old. The Earth has supported millions of lives and souls from many stories of happiness to sadness. In the picture entitled The Mother of Nature, we can see how cruel the world is today to the beauty of nature that existed years and centuries ago. Do you know that many human behaviors have a negative impact on our Earth? Human behavior includes the construction of tall buildings that reduce green fields, vehicles that increase air pollution, factory waste that contaminates water sources in each area, and burning garbage or land that produces smoke and causes air pollution. These things that we often take for granted without realizing it are slowly destroying the beauty of our Earth. However, what is the real reason of humans to do all these bad things? Humans are often not aware that their greed has a bad impact on their surroundings, not only one party, but also various parties. The human desire to control everything that exists on the earth is the main issue of the destruction of nature that has occurred so far. Most people do things for their own sake, such as opening housing or recreation areas in nature by using more than half of the land for development and building housing on green land or fertile rice fields. Human selfishness makes our earth destroyed over time. If we look at data from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, Indonesia's deforestation for 6 years from 2015 to 2020 has reached 2.1 million hectares. Forest land has been depleted and deforested by human greed. We only take this data from the territory of Indonesia. We haven't collected data from parts of Australia or other areas that have high rates of deforestation in the world. Another reason for this natural damage is advancing technology such as land facility to adapt to the culture of life in the 21st century. However, do we really need to? Do we really have to let our nature be destroyed by the progress of the century? The answer is definitely no. Technological advances and human progress are uncertain at the expense of our nature. We can change all technology and update it. If we need new land, we can use enough land without taking all the land. We must also continue to plant trees, fertilize existing plants, and maintain the natural beauty that exists forever. So let's keep our nature healthy and beautiful, and we must save the beauty of nature for the next generations. That is from me, sir. Thank you for your time. Bye.